Welcome back. So, adventure on the Zambezi River continues on a cruise. Yes. Hello. Good afternoon. Do you want to go upstairs? Definitely. Hello. We booked this cruise through our accommodation, and I think you would be able to do so too, or just use online. There are a lot of online companies that offer it, so you can look for one that suits you.
I'm not saying that it's one.
Sunset Cruise.
GoPro 8.
Yes.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are.
Say hi.
Hello everybody, here I am on Phyllis's YouTube channel having a gin and tonic on the Zambezi River.
Yes.
With my good friend Phyllis.
And here she is.
There she is.
Having something sweet
and cold.
and cold. Those are my requirements.
What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
So this island has hippos, a lot of Zambian monkeys, and some elephants. And a path like that one is like a hippo path. So that's where they go into the land when they are coming out of water. The island itself is about 3 kilometers long, 800 meters wide, so it's not that huge. And apparently the elephants usually swim back to the shore, the park, I think. And I've never seen, I didn't even know elephants could swim. And I hope I see one swim today.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
Time for food.
Until winter comes. Until winter comes.
I've been really eating all day.
Really makes me
Me too.
wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Sunset Cruise, everyone. If you drink, you can drink everything you want or eat. But it's a nice experience. I've had better river cruises, to be honest, but this is just relaxing. Yeah, and I'm on the Zambezi River, so yay.
Now it's a lot of sci-fi.
So just to clarify, when I say I've had better, I mean cruises, and I love water sports and love when they speed. And this was quite slow. Also, if you love like partying, maybe not choose this particular cruise, but there's so many options, so choose one that works for you. But this one was really just slow and relaxing, that's why it wasn't as much fun as I thought it would be. But the sunset was definitely worth it. So if you're ever in Livingstone or Victoria Falls, make sure you do a sunset cruise, because you'll never see such a sunset anywhere, I promise that.
Yeah, I wonder.
Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a short one. I hope you enjoyed it and at least enjoyed the sunset. Click subscribe, like, follow, comment, share, you know the drill, and see you on the next one. Bye.